how to log in to WhatsApp. So if you want to log in or sign into your WhatsApp application, then first you need to open up your WhatsApp. So make sure to install the application from your Play Store or your App Store. And once you install, you can simply open it and then choose your language and go to the bottom right, which has that arrow, and then tap on agree and continue, which is on the bottom, and allow. And here you need to enter your phone number with your country code. So enter your phone number and then tap on next. And now you need to check the number. So if this is the correct number, tap on yes. But if it's not, then go for edit and edit your number and then tap on next. And then tap on continue and tap on allow and again allow. And now you will receive a code from WhatsApp. Now tap on continue and then allow. And if you have any backups, then it will back up. Now if you want to back up, then tap on restore. And once you've restored, now tap on next, which is on the bottom of your screen. And here you will have your name. So you need to provide your name and your optional profile photo. And then tap on next. And that's it. That's how you log into your WhatsApp application. It will restore your media and you can use that. So that's it. That's how you log into your WhatsApp. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.